What we do here is go back.
Hello, I'm Kristen Van Nest. I'm going to give you a few tips on your bird feeder. One thing I found out from a book is that birds' favorite foods are suet, mixed seeds, and sunflower seeds. As you see in here, there are mixed seeds and sunflower seeds. On the top, there are nuts and goldfish crackers. And inside some of the holes, there's pieces of popcorn. Birds will eat your table scraps. That is why I've put those in there. You can buy suet with table scraps in it for the birds, or you can just get some from your normal grocery. Birds are very interesting. They're not exactly picky eaters, but if they have a variety of food, they will pick their favorite and stay on it. Listen, listen. There it is. This is a very rare moment. This bird is so rare. There are barely any left. They're usually very scared of people, but this one happens to seem like it isn't scared of people. They're very smart, though. This bird eats goldfish crackers.
Tell me who can stop my heart as much as you. Let's take each other's hand.